Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. In this quick video I would like to ask you for a favor of sharing your experience with the Mechanix work gloves. These people are really good in advertising, that's for sure. Even I always use those Hardys from Harbor Freight, right? They're not really the best, but they last pretty okay. I never pay money at the retail store, like $20–30 for a pair of Mechanix. That I consider way too expensive. So when I was browsing at Costco, the aisles again, and I saw the 2-pack that was I saw on the shelf 2-pack. It was 2 pairs for approximately, if I'm correct, $14, something like that. I'm like, oh, now I will be a big guy. I will have those famous Mechanix. So I bought it right away. I was very happy and started working with those. Well, now I'm not so much happy anymore, because they just develop really quickly holes. Or is it just me? But I keep working the same way, like in those Hardys, which are from Harbor Freight. These things are so old, I can't even count. Maybe a year. I have many pairs, but there's no problem with this finger like this. These ripped in like 2 weeks of normal work. So I'm wondering, did you ever buy them? Do you have any experience with those? Is it maybe true there is people who say whatever is in Costco, it's actually knockoff and it's not the right one? Tell me, because I'm not sure if I should keep buying it. This is kind of disappointing. I love how they feel. They really fit like a glove, that's for sure. That's a good feel. But seriously, like, rip the pair in approximately 2 weeks of the work. I think it's not very reliable. So please tell me, what is your experiences with those? Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.